Hi and welcome to Crobco English. Today, we're going to learn how to greet someone and introduce yourself in English. Repeat after me, and let's speak together, it's easy. Let's start with the basics. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Bonjour, comment vas-tu?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine, thank you.
Je vais bien, merci.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Comment tu t'appelles?
My name is Crobco English.
My name is Crobco English.
My name is Crobco English.
Je m'appelle CrobcoEnglish.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Enchanté.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Tu viens d'où?
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil.
Je viens du Brésil.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Parles-tu anglais?
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Je ne comprends pas.
Can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please?
Peux-tu répéter, s'il te plaît?
Great job. You've learned common English greetings and how to introduce yourself confidently. Keep practicing these phrases every day. It's the key to fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like and comment below your favorite phrase in English. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, so you never miss a new lesson. Tell me in the comments, where are you from, and how would you introduce yourself in English?